Group Courageous, Module 2, Introduction Distributed System Concept. These are distributed system definition. Components located at network computers communicate and coordinate their actions only by message passing. Theory of distributed computing algorithm for sequential computer has generated a common framework for specifying algorithm and comparing their performance. The goal of distributed computing is to accomplish the same for distributed system. Driving factors ever increasing need to share resources and information, distributed computing as a utility, more affordable, powerful workstations, its cheaper hardware, and widespread use of network, pervasive networking technology, mobile and ubiquitous computing, maturity of software technologies, distributed multimedia system. These are challenges in distributed system: heterogeneity, openness, security, scalability, transparency, concurrency, failure handling, quality of service. Goals of distributed system: efficiency, flexibility, robustness, and consistency. These tables are about transparency in distributed system. These are about software and hardware service layers. This picture are about hardware concept. These tables are about software concept, DOS, NOS, middleware. These tables are about comparison between systems. Service concept, primitive service, services by system servers, value add services. These are models, system models, physical models, and architectural models. Type of architectural model. Client invoke individual servers, browser and web servers which uses a local file. Variation on client-server model, mobile agents. These are reasons for using mobile agent. It's reduced network load and client processing power, overcome network latency, and others. Spontaneous networking is a distribution that integrates mobile devices such as personal digital assistant, mobile phone, and other devices. These are about fundamental model. It provides a personal description of the properties that are common in all of the architectural model. The purpose is to specify the design issues, difficulties, and traits that must be resolved in order to develop distributed system and fulfill their tasks correctly, reliable, and securely. Three key models: interaction model, failure model, and security model. Interaction model. Distributed system is composed of many processes interacting in complex ways. For example, multiple server processes may cooperate with one another to provide a service, or a set of peer processes may cooperate to achieve a common goal. Two significant factors affecting interacting processes in distributed system are communication performance, maintaining a single global nation of time, and two variants of interaction model are synchronous system, which is bound on process execution time and message delivery time. A synchronous system, there is no bound imposed on process execution time and message delivery time. The first failure model is define the way in which failure may occur in order to provide an understanding of the effects of failures. Classifies the failures of processes and basic communication channels in a distributed system: omission failure, arbitrary failure, Byzantine timing failure, and masking failure.
Security model. The security of a distributed system can be achieved by securing the process and the channel used for their interaction and by protecting the object that they encapsulate against unauthorized access. It also identifies the possible threat to process and communication channel in an open distributed system. Threat relate to integrity and privacy. Thank you.